Good morning from another beautiful day here at beautiful British Columbia. Today, we are here at Maple Ridge, BC. The family is just getting ready to get out because we are going to have an early lunch here at the Patch Brewery, which is, I think, part of Leyte Farms here in Maple Ridge. And it looks like we are the first ones here because it actually opens up at 10 o'clock and it's 9:30 right now. It's nice here, eh?
Yeah, something new. We don't really drink, if you guys know, but we're here in a brewery. We're just here for their pizza and the experience.
Yeah, this one. What did you order? It's coming, hey?
What did you order?
Mushrooms and pizza.
Yay!
That's good. I do have one question though. I noticed that the grass here is super fine, so I'm wondering if this is actual real grass or could it be fake grass? What do you think?
I think it's just a turf.
Yeah, turf.
It's really soft.
Yeah.
So this place is kid-friendly and dog-friendly as well. They have like water bowls for dogs.
I know I try it. It's coffee.
No, you cannot have coffee.
You have your water bottle over there.
I also got some iced latte as well. I think the pizza's still coming, but we were wondering like where is Leyte Farms, because when we were researching about this place, it said the Patch Brewery is part of Leyte Farms. That's good iced latte. It's still just super early in the morning, but I could imagine that this place could get very busy. That's why they have a lot of umbrellas, a lot of tables, and in addition to having the outside seating, they also have some inside seating as well, so still plenty of space.
Baby Cloud's first brewery at 6 weeks.
Pretty cool that they also have a kid area where there's lots of toys where the kids can play while the adults have their own fun as well. Yeah? Scale's definitely enjoying it. I think that's cheating. Let's go! Oh no! You got it! Yay! High five!
Good job! Pizza's here!
Pizza here, Sky!
Are you ready to eat?
Yeah.
So what kind of pizza did you order?
Mushroom.
It's a mushroom pizza with some arugula and some cheese.
I only love pizza. Only.
You love pizza? Okay.
Only pizza.
Okay, let's dig in. So we ordered the mushroom pizza and it's around $22 with 6 slices.
Yes.
I'll give you some.
I give you some. You
Ooh, yum.
I like this
I
one.
thought you like the green pizza. You want the greens?
I know what the wings.
Okay, we'll put it back in there. Is it good? Mm.
2 thumbs up?
Who made this?
Busy Bear. So lately, Skylar got this new book and it's called Busy Bear Pizza Book. And she's been loving it. Every night she's been reading it as a bedtime story because the book is very interactive and it's very fun. It teaches you how to make pizza.
Yeah.
Right? You can make pizza. Yeah, this slice. I'll get the second to the best.
What's your plate, Mom?
Can I share with you?
Okay.
Ooh.
Ding.
Yummy!
So good.
After just looking around, I think we're inside Leyte Farms itself because there's like signs around that there's like crops growing that we cannot go beyond the fences. Yeah, there's like barns and then there's like tractors around. So I think the Patch Brewery is actually within Leyte Farms. We got donuts, guy!
So we were supposed to go to Alouette Lake at Golden Ears Provincial Park today. Turns out you need to book a day pass before going here, which we didn't do.
Yeah.
We didn't know about it, but it's free online and you should book it day before or before it runs out.
I think that's a new thing because we've always been coming here to Golden Ears Provincial Park and we didn't have to book any day passes. But I think they're just putting some systems into place just so the park isn't overrun by people, which is great, but not great for us today because we don't have a day pass.
Not great for spontaneous outings.
Yeah. So after doing a complete 180 from Golden Ears Provincial Park, because we missed getting a day pass, we actually tried going to different parks around the area, but still turned out quite full because one, it was a weekend, and two, I think it was pretty late that time that we already pivoted from Golden Ears Provincial Park, so everyone was out.
Yeah, it was a nice weather too, so everyone wanted to go to the water, to have a picnic by the beach.
So we just ended up coming to a different day. We are now here at one of the iconic parks here in Vancouver called Stanley Park. And I'm pretty sure you guys know this place.
I don't.
This one is...
It's first time.
Yeah, it's his first time here. Huh?
How do you like it? Huh?
You like it here? Oh.
It's fun.
To be honest, it's just coming from Oceanfront Squamish last week. It feels a little bit older, a little bit dirtier than what we saw last week, which is still fine. You know, Vancouver is Vancouver. But it's a much shorter drive from where we are, so. Yeah.
You want some donuts?
You want some donuts? Sky! What you eating?
Donut.
Donuts. It's crazy that we haven't been this long to the seawall, and Skylar's just doing some biking right now. Practicing her biking? Yeah? I think the last time that Max and I have gone biking on the seawall was actually when we first visited Vancouver, even before moving here. So I think when Baby Cloud or when Skylar gets a little bit bigger, maybe we'll do a family biking trip around the seawall. That would be awesome. I think Skylar's doing actually pretty good on the balance bike. This balance bike idea was actually pretty new to us because having grown in the Philippines, we didn't really have a balance bike. We've always just went with the 2 wheels plus the 2 training wheels. But I think it's a much better idea of getting them to train for biking because they learn to know how to balance first. Where did you go? You tell mom.
Look at all this.
Where did Skylar go?
Where did you go? What did you see? Little baby cloud. Where did you go? What's this sky?
I go 5 ways. 5 ways, 5 ways.
So far away?
Yeah.
What did you see?
Huh?
You see lots of birds.
Yeah.
It was actually pretty hard to get Skylar to come back. She would just go, run, and ride her bike and wouldn't look back, right?
What? Are you so good at biking now?
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
That's good.
Yeah, maybe when Baby Cloud is bigger and you know how to bike, we can go do a bike around the seawall, yeah?
Yay! Oh,
Ay,
no.
no.
To buy.
Yeah, he wants to bike.
Now! Baby Cloud said now! How about that?
So I think that's gonna be the.
Go, Dad.
Oh, thank you.
Stop breaking.
So I think that's just gonna be the plan for the rest of the day. It's just stay here, lounge around, and enjoy the view here in Vancouver.
Tour Baby Cloud around Vancouver.
Yeah. Hope you guys like this video. If you haven't, subscribe, like it, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!
Bye.